movie Kasab, starring Neelam, Chunky Pandey, Rishi Kapoor. It talks about Neelam, who is apprehensive about the concept of marriage because she was in love with Chunky Pandey previously, and he died by a cop who shot him since he was involved with some criminal activity just to save a woman. But he was actually regarded as a culprit, as a criminal who is running away from the cops. So initially, even Neelam thought that he is a gangster, and she stayed away from him. But later on, the lady whom he had rescued came to have a conversation with Neelam. She told her that he is a good person and he should be taken out from the prison, and she is the one who can help him out of the prison. So she had sold one of her necklace and she got him out of the prison, and eventually both of them fell attracted to each other, and he also chased her for a while, and both of them fell in love. But their tragedy broke and he met with an accident, and he was shot and he died. And then her heart broke. She was totally involved with him, and her father wanted her to settle down with another guy, Rishi Kapoor, arranged marriage. But she was totally against the concept of marrying someone whom she didn't know. And since he got a mild heart attack, her dad, she agreed to the proposal. So both of them got married, and he was very understanding from the beginning, Rishi Kapoor. But Neelam was not at all reciprocating his feelings. But because of his patient nature and constant affection, everywhere he showed his caring nature, and he was very patient because she didn't even want him to get intimate with her, and he actually was very patient, and he waited for the time when she actually wanted to get close. So all these things drew her towards Rishi Kapoor, and she even cited the tale of Chunky Pandey to him. So that is the reason why he understood as to why she's so apprehensive and she's not letting him get close to her. So later on, both of them developed feelings for each other. He already had feelings, and then the last scene is the best scene when they both jumped from the train because she was leaving him, since she thought that now he's not interested in her, since they had filed a divorce and all, and it was the divorce which she initiated. So because of that, he had to retreat his steps. And the last scene is when they they pull the chain, they jump from the train, and he carries her, and that's the end. So I would like to say, see, if you are involved with someone, get over that person before you settle with somebody else. This is the bottom line because you will not be honest with the person with whom you are getting married. But our parents don't understand. In this movie also the same emotional blackmail. So she was compelled. But later on, but everyone cannot be as understanding as Rishi Kapoor. I think 4 stars.